Overall, I think I probably spent on the outside of this property probably a good It's a hot one out here today. Hey guys, so I'm doing this vlog here. I normally don't do vlogs on my properties because I really don't want to bother the tenants, but I have a unit that's unoccupied. So I really kind of just want to show how you can turn a property that was not that desirable into a property that it was. This one needed a little cosmetic kind of makeover, but not bad though. The inside was pretty good. It's just the outside that was kind of like flaky, messed up and whatnot. So let's just take a look at it. This is a 4-unit, a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and a studio. The property itself used to be a flower shop on one end and then a single family on the other. So let's just take a look at it. So this side in here, I think I'll put it in a picture above of what it used to look like. So let's just take a step back. Good view here, and you can see that it has the blue siding right here. It had yellow siding before. Yes, really pretty ugly. This makes it look a little bit more modern. The side here, all of this right here was overgrown. I mean, completely overgrown, you know, with all types of weeds, everything else. And then as you see, it has its own parking lot, which is very good. Some great parking right here. And then this right here, I built this trash can bin. There wasn't a trash can bin there before. It was just kind of just lay the trash cans there. You know, overall, I think I probably spent on the outside of this property probably a good about $20,000, $20,000 on the outside. But it was so worth it, guys. What's the reason why it was worth it? It's curb appeal. People don't want to move into a property when it looks like a property you don't want to live in, right? It doesn't matter how good it is. And the problem is that you can do all the advertising in the world, but if people don't want to live in it, or it looks like they don't want to live in it, then they're not going to even attempt to try see what's inside. Whew, it is a hot one out here, man. As you see here, it's got the nice little shed over here. I don't even touch this at all. I think I've never opened this the entire time I've owned this property. One time someone asked me to put their motorcycle in there. Their motorcycle. And then you can see here, all the way down there, like a little outdoor area for one of the units. So I did all of this landscaping, had that redone. This was all junk in here. Like, I know some pallets, some other stuff like that. Okay, so a lot of people ask, like, how did I find this property? Well, I found this property by doing some marketing, guys. So what I basically did was I did some marketing on just sending out mailers, telling people like, hey, look, I'm interested in buying this property. And this particular owner gave me a call and said, hey, I don't know if this is a scam call. I don't know if this is someone trying to scam me out of something, but if you are interested in buying the property, then give me a call back. So I gave her a call back. She wanted to sell the property because she was having some issues health-wise and whatnot, and she just wanted out of the game of being a landlord. And I came and took a look at the property, and it made sense. So I went ahead and gave her an offer on it. She gave her offer, then we met in the middle, and that's kind of how it started. So she was really gung-ho to be very motivated seller. She wanted out. She was moving out of the country ASAP. So I was willing to oblige her, and I gave her an offer on it, and it was a good deal. This property still is a good deal. It definitely cash flows. It does what it's supposed to do. I bought right, guys, and that's what I want to tell you guys, to buy right. It is extremely important when you're looking at these properties that you buy right. Yeah, that's kind of the story of how I found this deal. Multiple mailers. You never know what you guys are gonna get. I suggest you guys do the same thing when it comes to finding a property, but let's go ahead and just take a look inside and kind of see one of the units, the unit that's vacant, and kind of see the work that I did on it and how I improved the property to bring in more cash flow. So as you see here, tenants, look at that, keeping that light on. They got the light on. Okay, so as you see, we're going into here, to this unit here. It's pretty dark in here. Let me go ahead and get the lights. Ooh, okay, so as you see here, the lighting may not be the best, but hopefully you guys can deal with me on that. But anyway, you can see right here how everything, let me kind of show you. This unit here, at first, it didn't have any tile flooring. It had just linoleum, I think that's what they call it. That just roll out plastic flooring, they have that. And then you can see here, it didn't have this vinyl hardwood flooring. It did not have that. You see, I changed the colors. If you can see it through the lighting, it has that more beige look. I prefer that. Like I told you, I just keep it really, really simple. I keep that with the white ceilings, as you guys can probably see, the white trim here. And then right here in the kitchen, what happened is I came in here and I saw that one of the tenants, one of the things that they were having here is grease was just popping up everywhere. So I decided to put a backsplash here. It was so well worth it. So I put a backsplash here. As you see, there's the washer and dryer in the kitchen. And then this is one bedroom. So you have that. And then the bathroom in here, right here, see, look at that. So not much, it's a one bedroom, but I think that, you know, as far as what I took before, taking out the carpet that was in here, taking out the linoleum that was in here, putting the backsplash in there, the washer and dryer was already there. Man, remember when I said paint really does do something? It was just a white box in here. It makes the place look way better, way better. You can see the color there. That's the color. So yeah, you know, this is a good unit. So one thing about this unit is it does have all the utilities are included in this. So, you know, so you see sometimes I go here and I'll be like, man, the lights are on, but it's kind of just name of the game. I knew when I bought the property that this property did have all the utilities included. I tried to get them all divided, but it wasn't gonna happen. It was gonna cost me way more money to get everything divided rather than keep it like it is. So, but in the end of the day though, I mean, I still make it work. Every year at least comes up, I reevaluate what the utilities will cost, and then I go from there. So once again, guys, I hope you got value out of this content. Hopefully I can showing you my property here will get some of you motivated to get into your own property. I will do a video of a breakdown of how much money I make and exactly what's going on with this property as far as cost wise and money, how much money I make. So be ready for that. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.